Hello guys, now let's check volatility 51x, which is this one here. Let's just check anyone, let's see, we're on the 4 hours H4. Okay, on the H4 I just saw something that caught my interest. Now check this out, guys. This is an opportunity. See, we have a support level here, a strong support level here that has just been broken first. The support level has just been broken first, and if you see, there is a partial support level at this point too. So I will not take this one literally. So I'll wait for those two to be broken. Then I know we are riding down. Look at this resistance level at the top here. Now let's analyze this market together. If we break this support level, if we break this first support level, I'm trying to zoom the screen a little bit. If we break this first support level, which is this one here, the last one, we are heading down to this point here. Do you know how much you will make if you trade this market down to this point? Then the next point, if we break this one down to this point, we are heading down here or here, especially this point here, this down here. So just take note of this volatility 51x. You can trade it if you want. It's a good opportunity to sell, but wait for it to be broken. Then you can ride the market for days. Okay, so it's very simple to trade this out, to analyze the market. It's very simple. It's very simple. It's very simple. Okay, look at the point here. We have a point here, which is this point, because of this point and this point. Okay, so if the market should break this first point, it's heading down to this point. Once it breaks this point, it's heading down to the next point, which is what? This point here, this next support leg, because of this point here. Now if it breaks that, it's going down to this one here, this strong support, because there's a strong support at this um base of the market. So just take note. It's a simple something. I'm just giving you tips on how you can analyze the market very easy.